Hello, today we will guide you through how to change partner code in XM. If you are trying to update the partner code connected to your XM account, it is important to understand how the process works before you begin. In XM, the partner code is entered during registration, so this is something you need to pay attention to at the very start. Begin by going to xm.com, the official XM website. Make sure you are using the correct site so you can access the proper registration page and avoid any confusion. If needed, take a moment to confirm that the page has fully loaded before moving on. Once you're on the home page, look to the upper right area of your screen and click on Get Started. This will take you to the Account Registration section where you can begin setting up a new account. If you are on a mobile device, the layout may look slightly different, but the same option should still be available. On the registration page, you will see a field where you can enter your partner code. This is the stage where the code must be added. Carefully type the code into the appropriate field, and once you are done, click Register to continue. It is a good idea to double-check the code before submitting it, since this step determines how the account is linked during registration. Now here's the most important part to keep in mind. You cannot change or add a partner code after your account has already been created. In other words, if you already completed registration without entering the correct code, XM does not allow that code to be updated afterward through this process. So if your goal is to use a different partner code, this needs to be done before the account is registered, not after. That is why it is important to review everything carefully on the registration page before clicking Register. Taking an extra few seconds here can save you time later. If you have already created your account, this walkthrough shows that there is no direct option to go back and change the partner code inside the account creation flow. The key takeaway is that the partner code must be entered correctly during signup. And that's it. You now know how the partner code works in XM and when it can be entered. Follow these steps carefully during registration to make sure everything is set up the way you want from the beginning.